Hi, it's Steve with EXP. Last week I talked about HGTV and the DIY type programs and how it's influencing buyer behavior to a degree. Now that remains to be seen, but I do know this, that in the DIY sphere, a lot of people don't understand that it actually could be a thing, but it's not a DIY in the truest sense. It's get renovations done, but don't do it yourself. But you could buy a home, if you imagine buying a home and you want an upgraded kitchen, you could buy the home as is, make an offer that's as is, and then put construction financing in place on the back end. And it's really not going to impact your mortgage costs that much. This is a very critical point that people are missing the boat on, that they might otherwise purchase a property. Everything else is great, but that darned old bathroom in the master bath, I just can't live with it. Well, if you were to get a $5,000 bid to renovate the master bathroom, you could buy the house. And gee, doesn't that make sense a little bit? So it's important to work with people who understand what your options are and through empathy can communicate with you to find out what you're really looking for and maybe not pass up an opportunity just because it's not the perfect home for you. If it's got a great location, the school districts are what you want and everything else, but it doesn't have that den that you were hoping for. Let's talk about that. Let's figure out exactly how we can get that house for you and make it your own. And if you like information like this, please like and share. And as always, thanks for watching.